Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through one of the simplest and most useful features on Telegram, creating a poll in your group. If you ever wanted to get your group's opinion, plan an event, or just have some fun with questions, this quick guide is all you need. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your Telegram account and that the group where you want to create the poll is already active. Next, open your group, scroll through your chat list, and select the group where you want to post the poll. You can create a poll in any group where you have permission to send messages, whether it's a public chat or a private one shared with friends. Now, look toward the bottom of your screen and tap the link icon. This icon gives you access to different content creation tools inside Telegram, from media to files to, of course, polls. Once the menu appears, tap Polls. This will open a new window designed specifically for creating interactive polls. Here's where the fun begins. You get to customize your question and the answer options. Go ahead and type your question in the space provided. Keep it short, clear, and to the point. Then, add your options. You can create multiple choices depending on what kind of feedback you want. It could be simple, like which day works best for our next meeting, or creative, like pick a movie for movie night. When you're satisfied with your question and answers, take a final look to make sure everything's correct. Then, tap Create at the top right corner of the screen. Within seconds, your new poll will appear in the group chat, ready for everyone to vote. And that's it. You've just created a poll on Telegram in a few easy steps. It's fast, it's interactive, and it's one of the best ways to engage your group and gather opinions instantly. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick, easy tutorials just like this one.